Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this episode I want to touch base on Windows 2008 Server Edition. So I have a Windows Server here. Let me demonstrate to you. You can see it's Windows Server 2008 R2 Enterprise. So what I have is that if I would try to run any media related software, like for example a screen capturing tool called Studio here, I get this error message here. So it says can't start because your WMVCore.dll file is missing from this computer. Naturally, being a server OS, I don't think they expect to install any of the media related libraries. So let me show you how you can solve this problem. So if you go in here in our control panel and then look for features. Yeah, program and features. And click on turn Windows feature on and off. So make sure you select on the feature here. You can try expanding, but that's not much in it. But if you were to navigate to the right, add feature, and look for desktop experience. Turn it on. Required feature. Next. And install. And after a few moments, the installation is complete. All you have to do is restart this computer here. So that's what I'm going to do. Yes. And I'll be right back after the machine starts up. After a few moments, when you log back into your computer, you'll see this window. Installation is successful. By the way, the computer restarted about 4 times. I think you're trying to install all the necessary Windows feature file there. So I hope this one solves your problem. Anyway, other than that, have a good day. Bye.